Dr. McDougall's soup is one of my favorites. It's called Moroccan red lentil soup. And I'm just going to water saute some onions and some celery here. Half a cup of water. And that'll just take off some of the sulfur from the onions, and it'll help to soften these vegetables a bit. Now to this I'm going to add some spices. I've got a bay leaf, I've got ground cinnamon, ground ginger, turmeric, coriander, and some white pepper, and a bay leaf. Add these all in. It's a very quick soup to get on, and it'll take about, I don't know, about 30 minutes, 40 minutes to cook down. It smells wonderful just with the addition of these spices. So now I'm going to add in, I've got some veggie broth. I'll post the recipe below for you. That's 6 cups of veggie broth. And I'm going to let this come to a boil. I'm going to add in a cup of red lentils. I've got the whole lentils here. You can buy split red lentils and they'll cook up a little bit quicker. Got a can of chickpeas. And I've also got a cup and a half of tomatoes. Now when the lentils are almost cooked, I am going to add in a third of a cup of millet. His recipe calls for orzo. I don't have any orzo today, so I'm going to add in the millet. It's a very nice small grain and it has a nutty flavor. And I'm also going to add in a couple of cups of chopped up dinosaur kale. Just wanted to show you how quickly this recipe comes together. It tastes absolutely fantastic. If you need to add any salt, you can always add that in at the end. I'm also going to add in 2 tablespoons of fresh lemon juice before I serve this. So that's the Dr. John McDougall Moroccan red lentil soup. I got the recipe from the healthiest diet on the planet. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. My name is Jill.